You don't have time for that. Let me loosen that up. Here's a 10 millimeter. That's almost big. What we'll do, there's a 10 to make sure. There's a 10. Close. All right, guys, so now we have an e-brake. So taillight's working now. I went ahead and picked up a part from my buddy Andrew. Gave me the taillight mechanism, the whole taillight housing. The other one was shot. Gave me a new one, put that on here, connected it. We're all good to go. We got brakes, taillights, and everything like that. Still looking for the front blinker, the directional. So that's the next thing, but we might pick that up at the Lakeland show, but we'll see. Oh, hey. We're just working on the horn, so I'm gonna make the connection. There's just not a lot of room in here to make the connection here. I was trying to pop the little cover. I don't know what it's called. It's like a little cover on the bottom of the steering column. But I was trying to push that up so I can get my fingers in here, but I have a little hard time, so I can't really pop it up. So we're going from underneath and see if I can finagle it. I bought an engine bolt kit for the bus. Everything went in fine except for the top. Well, I guess it would be the driver's side top. And only the case is threaded. Not so much on this one. So there's no thread on this one. So I'm getting a bolt, so a nut and bolt combo on here. So that's what we're doing right now. Yeah, so this won't work.
Really?
It might work on the split, maybe. Yeah, there's no way, unfortunately. A few months ago, we got a canopy awning from Napa, and we've heard great reviews on it. We have a few guys in the group that have them, and they love them too. So we're looking forward to actually just having this on the bus, and we won't have to keep pulling up out of a canopy, out of a bag. So we're hoping to get much use out of this on our camping trips. I was having a hard time finding brackets for this canopy, but my buddy Jerry hooked me up with some Go Westy brackets. I know you guys are screaming at the screen. Don't worry, I moved the brackets. Bath time. This stuff, I guess we could spray the right. Well, we cleaned it. Not much change, but it's clean. So that's what we're looking at right now, guys. As long as the inside's clean, that's all that matters. It's a little better. We're gonna go let it air dry. Come along. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for some major progress updates.